So today we are doing our stuffed plantain cups with shrimp. So here I have a green mango. Yes, it's green. It's not completely ripe. All right, and that's how we want it. Now, if you want to use the ripe one, it's gonna be good as well. But trust me when I tell you, use the green mango. All right. So here, as you can see, I cut away the skin. Now I'm cutting up the flesh. And while we are cutting up this mango and dicing it, if you've been watching my channel and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and also that bell icon that is going to notify you every time I upload a new video. Okay, like always, I got a lot of great recipes coming your way. A lot of great recipes, all right? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So here I have tomato, and as you can see, I am cutting out the flesh and taking out the seed. You definitely want to take out the seed, guys. You just want the flesh of the tomato. And it all depends how much plantain cups you making and how much of this little salad or salsa, whatever you want to call it, you're going to make. Here I'm chopping away at some cilantro. Look at those beautiful colors, guys. And here I have a hash avocado. Now, the avocado is not completely ripe either. All right? And that's how I want it. You cut it up. You put it in there. Again, the avocado is not completely ripe. It's not ripe where you usually eat it. It's kind of a little bit mushy. No, that's not what I want. So here I am seasoning my salsa with some lime juice and some sea salt. Also, guys, and a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to blend this together. Also, when I'm making this for other people, I also add red onions. But I'm allergic to raw onions, so it was just me for the week. And I canned the raw onion. That's why I did not add the red onions to it. But if you like onions, go ahead and add that red onion. So here I'm showing you how I debone shrimps and clean them. All right. After you do that process, make sure you rinse them out really, really, really good with some cold water. And here I'm making slit just like that. Not all the way down, guys. And what I did, I slit them like from the middle to the end. From the middle to the end. You'll see. I'll show you later on. So here I have unsalted butter. I use about a half a stick. I melt it on medium low. You just want the butter melt. You don't want it brown or nothing. And I added about a tablespoon of that lime juice. If you don't have lime juice, you want to use lemon, that's all fine too. But that lime juice, guys, So as you can see, I'm adding it to the shrimps. Now we're going to start seasoning. So I'm adding some garlic powder, some onion powder. I like my a little spicy, so I added a little bit of Cajun pepper, some lemon pepper, and some Cajun seasoning, and a lot of paprika, guys. A lot of paprika. It's going to give it that nice color, and also it's going to help when it cooking. Oh, let me tell you something. So here I have some fresh dill. And dill, guys, you want to add just a little bit. Don't overdo it. If you have dry dill, add dry dill. I just wanted the fresh dill. It gives such a good flavor. And also, I forgot to show that I also added some parsley. But I added some dry parsley. But if you have fresh parsley, go ahead and add some fresh parsley. Also, I added, as you can see, a little bit of olive oil. All right, so here I have a baking pan, and I'm going to start standing these up. When I tell you guys, you see, I'm showing you that I cut it like from the center down to the end. When you do that, it stands up more. Meanwhile, I have the oven, guys, on medium broil, 450 degrees medium broil, heating up while I'm laying up the shrimps, okay? So here now, the next step, I have some garlic cloves here, and I'm adding some sea salt to it. And now I'm matching them. And as you could see, like I always tell you, you don't have a mortero, go ahead Amazon or Marshall, one of those places, or those Spanish supermarket, and get yourself one. I mean, I love my morteros. I got a collection of them, but this little one I use for my garlic when I'm mashing garlic. It's only for garlic. And I'm adding it to some warm water, and I'm gonna let that bowl sit. So here I'm peeling the plantain. Usually, guys, if I have time, I just go ahead and make a slit, lay the plantain in warm water for about, I don't know, a few minutes or whatever, and it helps for the skin to peel away right away. Okay, I notice when you keep the plantains in the fridge, the skin gets more hard to peel than when you just have it at room temperature. So whichever way you want to peel your plantain, it's all fine, guys. Okay, there's no right and wrong. Just peel your plantains. So as you can see, I put some fresh oil to heat up on medium low. You don't want your oil to be hot. So here I am arranging my shrimp with the tail up. That one in the middle is going to be impossible. But they're telling me, no, ma'am. No, ma'am. I ain't standing up. So while we frying the plantains, guy, I put the shrimps in the oven on medium broil at 450 degrees. Here I am giving my plantains some love. Don't rush the process. Do not have that oil on high. You want that middle center to cook. All right? So on medium low. And now here I have one of those lemon squeezers. And I'm going to start making my cup. So I'm going to show you how to do it like this. Look at that beauty, guys. You see that? You see that? And now I'm going to show you with saran wrap. The same thing, but this time I added saran wrap, which is going to help when you take it out. It's not going to stick to anything. You're going to see. And it takes a few practice, guys. You haven't done this before you get it right. But you see that beauty? You see that, and you see how easy it came out with the saran wrap. So here I want to show you what happens if I put it in the warm water and put it right in the oil. As you could see, it's going to splash on you. You don't want that. So now I put my cups in that warm water. Make sure that water is warm, and you need to heat it up in the microwave. Heat it up in the microwave. And then I put them in there, and then I let them sit in the napkin for a good 30 seconds before I add it to the oil. And you see when I did that, and now I add it to the oil, it did not splash. Look at how beautiful those cups are. And again, you frying this on medium low. Don't do the high. Don't get too happy. I'm doing it high because you're gonna burn your cups. You want them to be, look at that beautiful golden color. And this salsa, guy, I made it the night before. It sat in the fridge. And I want to show you, see how it maintains, it's not watery or anything like that because we removed the seeds from the tomatoes. Also, your avocado is not mushy as well because it's kind of green. It's not completely ripe, and that's how you want it. And when I tell you this stuff was delicious, oh, Lord, it was delicious, okay? So here I am putting my salsa in my cups, and I add a little bit more avocado. Now the little piece of avocado I'm putting in the top, they're a little more ripe, not too much. You still want them to hold the nice shape, and don't forget to put some lime. And look at those beauty, guys. I baked the shrimps on medium broil. I think it was between 8 to 10 minutes. Look at that beauty right there. And then I drizzle it a little bit with the butter that was left from that baking pan. And when I tell you, oh my God, I felt like I was eating at a 5-star restaurant. Sometimes, I'm used to make a lot of foods, but sometimes I still, amaze myself and be like, oh man, I feel I'm in a 5-star restaurant right now. And guys, go ahead and make this for your friends, your family, invite them over, have a nice time with your loved ones and watch a movie or whatever, and prepare a bunch of these. As you can see, they are not hard to make, guys. They are not hard to make. And please let me know how they came out. And if, like I said, if you want onions or whatever, any other kind of vegetables you want to add, I don't know, cucumbers, whatever, please do. Make the recipe your own. But this is my creation, guys, and it was awesome. I hope you enjoy as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you in the next recipe. Have a wonderful day.